Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the way how to install application on iPhone. So to install or to get a new application on your iPhone, you need to go or you need to have this app store. If this app store doesn't appear on your home screen, you just need to slide your screen into the left side until you go into the app library, and after that you just need to tap in the search button an app store, and there will be pop up here, and you just need to click it to open it. And hold on, and to search the specific application, you just need to go into the search button, and you just need to start typing the application that you want to have. For example, let's find out the game, and now there will be a lot of games that you can install on your phone. For example, I will let you have this wormzone.io, so let's just click this get button, and after that you just need to follow the instruction. So you need to double click to install on the power button, double click, and your app store will be popping up this part, and you just need to confirm to download it. And I just need to wait until the download process is finished or done, and you will be ready to use the application on your phone. So that's the way how to install application on iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe to this channel if you find that this tutorial today is very useful for you. Don't forget to see us more and more for another iPhone tutorial.